Welcome back. Today we're going to look on data types. Going to see how best we can incorporate different data types in C and using different specifiers. So let's open a new source file. So the first thing, as you know, we start with our preprocessor directive and our header information. Okay. Alright, so what are we going to do? We're going to find the sum, product, and average of three numbers. My student JB is going to have a field day. He's always asking, why is it we're always finding sum? But it's the starter. We'll find questions to do, so that we can bring out different things in C. But that's the easiest thing to start off with. Alright, so the numbers that we want to accept from the user, we want those to be integer. So I'm going to have num1, num2, num3. Then I'm going to have double, and the double will be for sum, product, and for average. And our semicolons are very important. So here we're going to ask the user now to enter three numbers. So we need our printf. And it's case sensitive, so we won't use capital P. Whatever data that we want to be displayed on the screen must be in quotation, double quotes. So you have multiple ways that you could do this. You could do this individually, where you ask the user to enter three numbers and you ask them three different times, or you could have them enter all the data at once. So if it is that you wanted the user to enter three numbers in one entry, you would have enter three numbers and your /n so that you can get a new line, semicolon, and our read function, which is scanf. So here we need our bracket. So the first thing that you need is your specifier. Your specifier is aligned to your data type. So here, open quotes, I'm going to have %d. So because I'm asking the user to enter all three numbers, I'm going to have %d, %d, %d. Comma, and ampersand sign, your variable name. So that's num1, ampersand sign num2, comma, ampersand sign num3. So for this part, you can't merge like we did with the specifier here. Alright, so let's have our processing, which is our calculations. So sum will be equal to num1, and you have to ensure that num1, num2, num3, they're the same as you have them typed and declared. Then we're going to calculate our product, which is num1 and our average. So we're just going to take sum and divide it by 3. So now we want to output sum, product, and average. So printf, and we're now going to have here what we want. So I want the number to be displayed at the front. So that is where I'm going to put the specifier. You know, I declared sum as double. So I'm going to have LF right here, space is sum, comma, and the variable name. Same thing, print product is same thing again. Oh, sorry guys, percentage sign was supposed to be here. Pro, and again average is and to close out our main function we must have return 0. Alright, so I need to add something here because I don't want everything to come beside each other. So let's put a space and /n at the end of each so that I have each being displayed in its own row. Alright, so now let's check for errors. Let's save Datatypes. Alright, so we have 0 warning, 0 errors. Let's compile. Let's run, sorry. So 23 to make it easier, 23. Alright, so sum is 69, product is that, and average is 23. Let's try with a different set of numbers. Alright, so 23, 45, and 67. So sum is 135. Let's check. 23 and 45 is 68. 68 and 7 is 75. 75 plus 60 here, 135. Alright, so that is correct. Alright. My next video will address how is it we accept string. Character data type, you just follow the same procedure, ask the user to enter a character, but instead of D you would have S there. And again, if it is that you are going to ask the user to enter this one, so enter a number, then you would just have percentage D ampersand sign num1, and then let me show you quick. So what you would have is printf printf enter a number /n, and then you would have scanf open bracket open quotation percentage D comma ampersand sign number, and that would have been it, but you would have repeated it 3 times. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment, and subscribe. I'm hoping to do a New Year video. However, if I don't get to, because it's a holiday, things be happening, I want to wish you all a happy New Year.